I don't know if I'm tough enough to pull this big old hefty spring off of here. Alright, so today we're gonna fix the old forklift. She gets used and abused and not any love, but the brakes died on it. So I gotta pull this hub off, see if we can figure out exactly if we can get parts or what we gotta build to fix it. And then we may even squirt some grease and some stuff on it. They could use it. Let's see if Harbor Freight's got it. Easy peasy, man. I wouldn't get under it or anything, but I got a huger wrench.
Oh, we're gonna need a bigger one than that.
We know that they make a socket for this, but we don't have one. Napa wasn't gonna have one till tomorrow, and Dar's gone today, so I couldn't go steal his. So this is what we're attempting, and if this doesn't work, then we're gonna wait. He's left or right-handed?
Left or right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. We'll get them off.
What is the 24-hour of lemons?
Okay, you can go up, I think. The 24 hours of lemons is a race, and I think we're gonna race it.
What do you race?
Whatever you bring.
Is it a circle track?
No, it's road course.
Road course.
We're racing a Crown Vic. We have the car. It's built. We just gotta, that's plenty. We just gotta fix it. So, tell us in the comments if you think that's a good idea or a bad idea. Race the 24 hours of lemons. I think it's a good idea. It doesn't exactly fit it, but it doesn't not fit it.
It's closer to nothing.
Yeah. Force it, it'll work. Oil on the inside of that.
Hey, that one's been leaking for a minute.
Hey, sweet. I thought we were gonna have to pull the axle and stuff, but we don't.
Even better. Wait, it's got 2 big screws in it.
Probably why I couldn't pry it off of there.
I got them.
Now.
It'll come off now.
It wiggles. I'll bet that's heavier than it once was.
It's not too bad.
Hey, that bottom one looks to be the problem.
That bottom one's blown right out.
I don't think this has been changed for a bit.
A lot.
Let's see if El Manuel. Oh, those are big, dude.
I should have had my safety glasses on, huh?
I was squinting for you.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
No problem.
Built-in safety squinters.
These eyelashes, they're tough. We can take that spring off. We can probably just leave it, slide them out.
Rotate them out. Well, I'll bet not. Look at these.
Probably not. We'll have to do one side at least, probably, huh? We're gonna have to pull that clip, aren't we? To get that big old hefty spring off of there?
Yeah. I'll get some pliers.
I got some right here.
Oh, look at that.
I don't know if I'm tough enough to pull this big old hefty spring off of here.
Oh.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Where's that lighting device so we can see what's going on down there?
Hey, I can almost see what I'm doing.
It's coming up.
See?
Got him. You never got that without me.
I know.
That's why I was helping. I feel like this is easier tearing apart than what we're going to have putting it back together.
Oh yeah, because we don't have the right tools.
Never do. Oh, got him. Now we got this here springy thing. We got one left, and it's got a big old thing to come around.
Ow.
Okay, let's go. Got him.
Okay, there's your pliers. That one just fell out and bent. Oh, the piston came out.
We might be able to fix it.
Just pushed it sideways.
Yep, just kicked her out. Just a shoe. Wow, it kinked those right over, didn't it? When we straighten it, we're going to be rebuilding that, I'm sure. Sweet. So it locked up the other day. That's what happened. The shoe cocked in there or something. And it let that blow out, I'm sure. But I'll change my ways. We're going to grease this thing every day and... No, we're not.
No, we're not. No, we're not. Gotta tell the truth.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
They take your pump out?
Yeah, they depumped me.
Are you feeling all right, or is it to pain mode yet?
We haven't found any pain yet, so we just got bored.
Well, come on down.
It broke it.
Broke the piston?
Yeah.
So we found some brake parts. They got a new one of these. It's in California. It's on its way. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take a nail and stick in the brake line. We're gonna put this all back together because we need this thing. We'll just temporarily dismantle this brake. Okay, let me put this nail in the brake line first. Nail just goes right in there. It'll plug it right up. So this also works if you want to do pretty cool burnouts in your car. You can plug one brake line off. Okay.
Oh, the nail fell out.
That's what it sounded like. Oh, it's just tight.
It's full of dirt. I don't know where the dirt came from.
Okay, I'm in there now. You do whatever you gotta do. Smells like brake cleaner. Wow. That was a big old nose full of that.
Oops.
And there it is.
I'm gonna go ahead and just move that bucket.
Yeah,
Okay, you ready this time?
got it.
Take two.
Take two.
Ooh, that stings like crazy.
All the brake clean.
In my cut.
Just put some gas on it. It's a disinfectant.
Is it? I'm
You
not
know,
sure I believe you.
Mechanics don't get infections.
I'm not sure I believe you, Gar. This is the guy that's got one arm in a sling over there right now. Okay, I got one started.
Okay.
Don't mind my racket.
I'm not. I don't want my finger smacked, so I'm moving it.
All right, it's on there.
Is it moving?
It's heavy. In case you're wondering. I don't know if anyone was, but it's heavy.
Looks like the easiest way not to get your fingers cut off.
I like my digits where they're at currently.
Nothing wrong.
I wonder if I got a box.
Probably not, because you burn them as soon as they get. And then you go, oh, I shouldn't have burned that. I had some instructions in it.
Let me tell you a story, Dar. We're putting the windshield wipers on my FJ. We got one side all put on and everything, and the box was there, and I'm like, I'll throw that away. And I took everything out of the box and set it on the table. There's nothing in it. Threw the box in the fire. We had a big old pile of greasy rags here, and I'm like, I'll just throw those away. I grabbed the rags, and it picked up some of the windshield wiper parts in the fire. Me and Randall hunted everywhere. And then I was like, Randall, I burned them. I know I burned them. He got the magnet out and found them.
Found some pieces in the bottom.
But
of the stove.
all the rubber was burned up. It was gone.
Everything's gone.
Oh,
I inherited that from my mother. She likes to burn stuff. And my grandma, she used to. So, come by it naturally.
Yeah. You used to have a boat. Have a boat. It got burned up.
The pig pen, the chicken coop. Grandma's been known to burn some stuff to the ground.
I think that's a good.
She got herself trapped in the field next to her house.
yeah.
She, in Lou H, it wasn't even our field. She's out there burning it off.
Burned all the way around her. And then she
My
came
dad
down.
had to go save her out there.
All you'd had done was stop down the shop.
There wasn't anyone there.
How'd you get the one?
13/16 square.
Yep.
That's what I ordered.
That's what you ordered.
Now you need the pry bar to lift it up so you can get them lined up straight. The two of them right by each other.
Yep, there you go.
Now go straight over to the other side.
Let her down. Okay, we're good.
It's taking fluid. Let me get up here and get serious. Can't see anything leaking down there. Our nail seems to be hanging tight. 2, 3, 4. We got killer brakes on 4.
You're holding it?
Yeah. There it went.
Almost
Not
got
Randall.
the camera.
There it started to go.
We're all fluid.
Okay. I'm happy with it.
Brake pedal.
Hey, there's one side.
Go sideways.
Park brake works. We're good. Alright, today we got ourselves a new Badland 12,000 pounder going on my trailer. Okay. It's already got a plate on the trailer, so we just got to set it on, bolt it on. Pretty simple, really. Oh, they don't make them light. Fits.
It's gonna bolt right up, ain't it?
I think then I'll probably put a battery right there somewhere. This might be the easiest winch installation. I probably shouldn't say that yet, but this is wrapping up to be the easiest one I've had in some time. Huh. I'm not sure if these bolts are long enough. Let's see if they tighten. They're tight. That's all a guy can ask for, right? Now we just gotta figure a fair lead thing out on there, a battery mount. We're done.
Huh. I don't think you like that one anymore. You got enough of that one?
Survey tape measure.
Oh, that is a place to put that one then.
12 inches. Alright, we'll drill some holes, cut some stuff, and should be good to go. Let's see that thing you got there. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah. Drill those two holes. She'll be money. That's where I want that. Right back like that.
Ben's looking at it with his micrometer.
Get your good eye out.
Micrometer it up. Oh yeah, it's centered.
Alright. There's that. Alright, 7 by 13 and a quarter. 2 7s and 2 13 and a quarters.
She'll be built.
Well, she'll be cut out. Alright. Cut those out. Grind them up, weld this together. Seven. Oh yeah, it is gonna fit. Alright, I think out in the back of the old tow truck bed there's a hat hold down I built. Ooh. I don't have to build that again. I'll grind it.
Yeah. Just pretty. Don't have to build that again.
Probably just weld those on right there. Zip, bam, boom. Couple nuts on it. That's a victory. Can clean off some places there, weld it down. Winch is done. Batteries on, we just gotta have some terminals and this project finished. Alright, so we got the winch put on yesterday. We still got some controls to hook up. Today, this is what's going on. I got a little bit of work left. We're just linseeding away here. Get these boards treated so they last a little longer and have a trailer for a long time. So. Alright, first coat's on. Probably 3 more of those and then I gotta do my other car trailer. Ben is currently mounting on-off switch. We'll drill it and tap it. Randall is down here putting the third and final coat of linseed oil on. Looking good, Randall. Winch installation. We got her handled. We have charge off the truck, so if we're driving it a long distance, it'll charge this battery up. It has 20 amp breaker in it, so it won't ruin anything. We've got the on off, so we can isolate the battery. Turn this winch thing on. Light blinks. Yep, we're good to go. Randall got the trailer deck done. Got that trailer deck done. We are linseeded oil up. We're ready to rock.